everybody, welcome back to my channel Rachmakeups. So in today's video I'm going to share one of my favorite kind of neutrals makeup look, because I'm going to use a lot of makeup products to achieve a very hot, sexy, glamorous makeup look. And you can definitely recreate this look, and you can definitely create this look on and you can definitely create this look like even in your parties, in your functions, like in holidays, on Thanksgiving, on Christmas, on New Year Eve. It's like one of my most favorite makeup looks with heavy eyelashes. So if you want to learn and if you want to achieve the makeup look, then please keep on watching. And now let's get started with today's video. Okay, so first you need to moisturize your face really well. So my skin is very dry, so I just need to hydrate my skin. For that I'm going to use Nivea moisturizer, my all-time favorite. So this is what I'm going to use. It is very good moisturizer, good for dry skin. You can definitely check this one, and you can definitely see how much I have used this. You can see it's a very good moisturizer. Highly recommend from my side. And it's a very good base savior. Like, it's like a very good moisturizer for your face makeup, so highly recommend, even for your under eyes as well, because it's very thick, it's very moisturizing. So that is why I'm saying it's a very good base savior. Yeah, so I just need this much amount. Most important thing is like my lips. It's very drying. My lips skin is like peeling off really bad. So for that I'm going to apply these two moisturizers. First I'm going to use my Glam Color Pop moisturizer, and this is in the shade number, I don't know where is the shade written, but this is their tinted moisturizers, and I think this is the shade number Berry. Yes, it is in the shade number Berry. It's written right here. And next I'm going to use this Labello lip balm, and you can definitely see it is quite used and loved by me, because it is having that tint to it, like little bit of tiny red tint to it, so it will give you that life to your skin. And you can definitely see my lips are lifeless, right? So that is why I'm going to apply this. Yeah, see, it's quite good and give you a very nice tint, and it is very moisturizing. And I like to apply a lot of layers. Yes, like a lot. This much is enough, right? So what next you have to do, you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, let the skincare sink into your skin, and then we will move on to, now skincare is set. Now let's move on to the primer. I'm going to use this Mars Take It Glow primer. This is very glowy, so it is good for dry skin people. And if you have very oily skin, you should not use this, because it is very moisturizing and thick in consistency. Okay, so now you can see my skin is looking extraordinary glowing. See, it's amazing, you guys. It's really amazing, and it is not having any kind of chunky and glittery particles, so recommended. Now let's move on to the foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation in the shade number 115. It's my correct match. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shake it really well, and then I'm just going to pour it like this and spread it everywhere. It's a very nice foundation. I love this foundation so much. Layer of my foundation. I love this foundation so much. So now let's move on to another foundation, which is from the brand K Beauty. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and I am in the shade number 120Y. This is also a very good match for me, and I select the shade online, so this is a very good match for me. So I'm just going to apply 2 pumps of it. And to blend this foundation, I'm going to use this my brand new brush from Mass Cosmetics, and this is their from Titans of collection, and it's a very amazing brush. So I highly recommend this brush set, and it's very affordable, very good quality, and highly recommend this brush set from Mass Cosmetics. See, it's like a kabuki brush. So yeah, I'm just going to warm it a little bit, and next I'm going to apply it everywhere. For concealer, I'm going to use this HR concealer in the shade number 01. This concealer provides a very medium to sheer coverage, but I'm applying too much layers today. And little bit more on my eyes, like here. So just have a look on my base. It is looking very stunning, right? So for contouring, I'm going to use this Mass Cosmetics palette. So to blend this contour, I'm going to use this Mass Cosmetic brush, and this is their F10 from their Titans of collection, and I'm just going to blend it. So next I'm going to use blushes. For blush, I'm going to use this Recode Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade number Goosebumps. It is kind of a mauve pinky shade. Let me show you. Look at this blush, it is amazing. I'm just going to warm it up. And so next I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder to set my entire face. I'm going to use these compact powders also, and the translucent powder also. So I'm going to use 3 products to set my face. I'll be right back. First I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Big Love Reloaded palette. From this palette, I'm going to use this white shade to set my entire eyelid to avoid creasing. And I'm going to use this Emax design brushes, and this is their fluffy brush. I'm going to use the white shade. So setting is done. For the transition color, I'm going to use this blush, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade number 06 Soft Nude. This is kind of a cool tone brown color with yellow undertones, and I'm going to use this as my crease color, and I need to blend it really fine, really nicely. There should be no harsh lines. I'm going upward over here as well till my eyebrow bone, and I'm going to flick it out. I need a very high intensity of this color because it's a very soft color, so you have to build this color a lot of times. Okay, just build the color. Okay, so this much intensity I need, and this is a very nice color. You definitely should get your hands on this because it's very affordable, and it's very good and very long lasting, and it is totally matte. Highly recommend this blush. Okay, from this palette I'm going to use 3 shades, and these are the brown undertones. So these are the brown shadows with orange undertones, okay, which is this one, and this one. I'm just going to mix these 3 and apply it on my crease area. So now I'm going to switch my brush, and I'm going to use this brush, and from the same palette I'm going to use this shade. Look at this, I have hit pan on this shade. I'm quite happy because it's like very old palette of mine, and I just hit pan it right now in this video. Just look at this pan. I loved it so much because this shade is everything. It just blends like dream. This palette is really good. You have to invest in this one. It's amazing. It's really good. Now I'm just going to put this color on my outer V and on my crease line over here. So you can definitely see my cut crease is done, and you can definitely use any kind of loose powder, any kind of compact powder, any kind of white eyeshadow to set this one. I'm going to use here white eyeshadow from the same Master Reloaded Big Love palette from Makeup Revolution, because the white shade of this palette is really highly pigmented, so that is why I'm going to use the white shade from this palette. And again I'm going to use this color on my outer V. I'm just going to take the black color from this palette. This is from K Beauty palette, and I'm just going to tap it. Same burnt orange color on my lower lash line, mixing all those three together and going to apply it over here. So for shimmers I'm going to use this palette, and first I'm going to use this shimmer shade, which I'm going to use this champagne shade, and next for the middle shadow I'm going to use this brown color. First I'm going to apply that brown color, very pigmented shade. From this palette I'm going to use this champagne shade to get more effect over here. For the bronze shade I'm going to use this color. For more extra blinding shimmers I'm going to use this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. For that middle shade I'm going to use this color. This is the sun-kissed color, like this one. Just look at this shade. It's very highly pigmented and looks bomb on each and every skin tone. Just look at that pretty color. So next I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use the brown glitter on brown part and the silver glitter on silver part. Okay, so this is how the eye makeup looks like after glitter. I love this eye makeup so much. Okay, so first I'm going to use the translucent powders to set my face again and give life back to my face, because my face is like too much, you know, pale now, just because of the eyeshadows fall. Okay, so I just need to matte my, so that is why I just need to mattify my face really well to give it extra touch. And now I'm going to use this shade to bronze my face. For more bronzing I'm going to use this shade. This is from the brand SFR Color, and this is in the shade number Naked Apricot. This is my one of my favorite types of you know, blushes to bronze my face because it's a very perfect color for my skin tone. For blush on, I'm going to use this K-Beauty blush on, and I am in the shade number Dusty Rose. It's a very nice, nude warm tone mauve color, and it's a very pretty shade. I just love this color so much. It always look very nice and cute kind of vibes इससे आती हैं. So I'm just going to apply it over here on my temples. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty highlighter in the shade number 04. Look at this highlighter. It is stunning. It is really stunning. Next highlighter, I'm going to use this from K-Beauty, and this is in the shade number Sunlit Gold, and it's very amazing and blinding highlighter. Just look at that pretty shade. So for highlighter brush, I'm going to use this Jessup highlighter brush. Just look at this highlighter. It's amazing. It's really amazing. See, wow. Okay, so first I'm going to use this Just Herbs lipstick, and this is in the shade number Licorice Brown. And for the second shade, I'm going to use this color. This is from the brand Mars Cosmetics, and this is the color First Date. And next I'm going to apply this lip gloss. And if you want to learn more and more professional makeup looks, more and more professional eye makeup looks, then please subscribe and let me know into the comment box. Now till then, take care.